Okay, so we're going to go over the practice problems. 1A says, is a temperature of negative 11 degrees warmer or colder than a temperature of 15? So if you have, this is negative 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, 13, 14, 15. Well, negative 11 is closer to 0, so it would be warmer. 1B, is an elevation of negative 10 feet closer or farther from the surface of the ocean than an elevation of 8 feet? Well, elevation is at 0, so negative 8 is closer, so negative 10 feet is farther. 1C, it was 8 degrees at nightfall. The temperature dropped 10 degrees. By midnight, what was the temperature at midnight? So if it's 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it was 8 degrees, and we're going to go 10 degrees. It dropped, so we're going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to be at negative 2, or negative 2 degrees. Alright, so 1D says a diver is 25 feet below sea level after he swims up 15. What is his elevation? So we have to add on here. So if we're at 25, negative 25, and you go up 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going to be at negative 15. Is that right? Nope, 15. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 10. Okay, so in the next section, a whale at the surface of the ocean is at the surface of the ocean to breathe. What is the whale's elevation? So sea level is 0. Getting used to this pencil. The whale swims down 300 feet to feed. What is the whale's elevation now? It would be negative 300. The whale swims down 150 feet more, so we're adding that to 300, but it's a negative, so negative 450. And plot each of the 3 elevations as a point on a vertical number line. Label each point. Okay, so the number line I have there is 2. So if we're going, this is 0, and then 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500, you would have 0 is sea level. 300, and these are negatives, by the way, and 150 feet more would be here at 450. So 0, 300, and negative 300, negative 450. Number 4 says write an equation to represent each situation and then solve the equation. Audrey drinks 15 ounces of water, which is 3/5 of a bottle. How much does the bottle hold? Use X for the number of ounces of water the bottle holds. So 3/5 of X equals 15. So 3/5 X equals 15. And then to solve, we're going to multiply both sides by, well, the reciprocal of this, which is 5/3. 15 over 1 times 5/3. This cancels out. So the bottle holds 25 ounces. And for B, a bottle holds 15 ounces of water. Jada drinks 8.5 ounces of water. How many ounces of water are left in the bottle? Use Y for the number of ounces of water left in the bottle. So something plus 8.5 equals 15. So we need to get Y by itself. We're going to subtract the 8.5 from both sides. And you get 6.5 is what's left in the bottle. 6.5 ounces are left in the bottle. Alright, so we have 4C. A bottle holds Z ounces of water. A second bottle holds 16 ounces, which is 8/5 times as much water. How much does the first bottle hold? Okay, so the second bottle holds 8/5 of the first bottle Z. And the total is 16 ounces. So we're going to solve Z, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. And this we can divide in there. You get 10 ounces. Okay, a rectangle has an area of 24 square units and a side length of 2 3/4. So the area is 24 square units. And we need to know what the other side length is. So we're going to divide 24 divided by 2 3/4. And 24 times 4 11ths equals 24 times 4 . My pencil died. Yikes. Alright, so 24 times 4. 24 divided by 11/4. 24 times 4 11ths, which is 96 11ths. My pencil died. So final answer is 8 8/11ths.